In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or just want to update it to better reflect your vibe, this process is quick and easy. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will take you to your settings. From there, select Account Center. Inside the Account Center, tap on Profiles. Here, you'll see all of your linked accounts. Choose your Instagram account and then tap on Username. You'll now see your current username displayed at the top. To change it, tap the text field, erase the old username, and type in your new one. As you enter your new username, keep an eye on the availability. If it's taken, you can try different variations until you find one that works. Once you've found a username that's available, hit Done to save your changes. Your new username is now active. Before you go, remember that changing your username will also change your Instagram URL. So if you're sharing your profile link anywhere else, be sure to update it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides.